There are two vernier calipers, both of which have 1 centimeter divided into 10 equal divisions on the main scale. The vernier scale of one of the calipers C1 has 10 equal divisions that corresponding to 9 main scale divisions. The vernier calipers of the other calipers C2 has 10 equal divisions that corresponding to 11 main scale divisions. The readings of the two calipers are shown in the figure. The measured values in centimeter by calipers C1 and C2 respectively are. In this problem, they given two vernier calipers shown in the figure here. Here we should measure the readings. Before we are using these calipers, first we should know the what is the least count of these calipers. First we start with the calipers 1. In first calipers, that means C1, 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD. From this we can write that 1 VSD is equal to 0.9 mm. Okay, at the same time, least count of calipers general formula is 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. From this, that means 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal divisions on the main scale. From this we can write that 1 MSD value is 1 mm. At the same time, 1 VSD is equal to 0.9 mm. From this we can write the least count of calipers 1. Okay, from reading of C1, here we have the general formula MSR plus VSR into ELC. Here look at this figure. This is vernier scale, this is main scale. Here 0 in vernier scale is crossed 2.8 centimeter reading. That means MSR reading is 2.8 centimeter or 28 mm. At the same time, the division, that means this division in vernier scale is coincide, that means form a straight line with the division in main scale. This was 7th division. That's why VSR reading is 7. From this we can write that C1 reading is 28.7 mm or 2.87 centimeter. Come to the vernier calipers 2. It is a abnormal scale. Why we call this one as abnormal scale? Actually, in vernier calipers, n VSD should be equal to n minus 1 MSD. But here look at this. 10 divisions in VSD should be equal to 11 divisions in MSD. They given like this. That's why it is a abnormal scale. Here, if you follow the same formula, that means same process what we followed here. Here you will have the least count is negative. That means minus 0.1 mm least count you will get in case of second vernier calipers. In this situation, formula is slightly modified. That means formula is C2 is equal to MSR plus n minus VC into LC. Here you written VSR into LC. Instead of it, we should write here n minus VC into LC. Here n describes about the total number of divisions in vernier scale. Okay, at the same time MSR from this we can write it crossed to 2.8 centimeter line. That's why it is 28 mm. At the same time, total divisions in vernier calipers we have 10. Okay, we should write here 10. At the same time, here also 7th division is coincide with the 7th division in vernier scale is coincide with the main scale. That's why VC is 7. That means 10 minus 7 means it is 3. At the same time, here we take the magnitude of LC. It will be 0.1. 0.1 into 3 means 0.3. Finally, we got to 2.83 centimeter. Okay, centimeter. In this way we should solve this problem. It is one of the interesting problem.